Hi everyone, welcome back to this series. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I fetch Shopify products using the Admin GraphQL API and display them using Polaris component inside a remix-based Shopify app. Step 1. GraphQL query setup. I started by creating a file called Shopify query.ts in the util folder. So let me show you this in the app folder, and then I created a new folder utils and then Shopify queries.ts. Inside this file, I wrote GraphQL query to fetch the first 10 products along with the basic field like the title, description, images, and prices. So this is my query. Get query is a variable and query get product, and we will fetch the products, and here I pass the variable first 10 product, and I am using admin.graphql function to pass my GraphQL query. And I also created this reusable function get products. This function authenticates the Shopify admin API request and send the query. It returns a clean array of products that we can use in our route. So when we authenticate the request, we make the GraphQL query and then we get the response. In the response, we get the data, then product, then edges, and we map those edges and find the edge.node, and we have a clean structure of our product array. In the next step, I created a new route app.products. This one I can show you, app.products.tsx, and I import the loader function to fetch the products, then Polaris component, and then get products function and the product card from the components. I will explain that later. So in the loader, we fetch the products by calling this function get products, and then we return that JSON products in our front end component, and we get that those products here by using the loader data function, and then we use that data over here. We loop the products, and then we pass the product card over here, and in the product props we pass the complete object of the product, and we call this component. And if I go to this component, as you can see, we imported card, thumbnail, block stock, text from the Shopify Polaris, and over here we get the props of the product, and we get the image from product.featuredImage. Then we have blocks tag and gap 300 pixel and padding 400 pixel, and then we have text as a heading. We pass the product title over here. In the thumbnail, we pass the image URL and the image alt text, and then we have another text component where we pass the product description, and finally we have text where we pass the price, product.variant.edges, the first edge of that variant, we pass the price, and we call this component over here in app.products. For the navigation, I change the file app.tsx, and over here I link this route app/products and add the product link. Now if I go to the my app and click on the products, And as you can see, we have the listing of all first 10 products which we get using GraphQL query. We have title, we have image, product description, and the price, and so on. Right now 10 products are showing, and if you like to change the number of the products, you can change from here. Let's see, I would like to get first 2 products and save that, and now you see we have only first 2 products. And if I change that again, let's say I say 20 products, and now we will have 20 products over here. And you can also console.log products over here. This console log will show on the server side over here in the terminal. As you can see, we have all the products and all the objects. If you would like to see them on the front end, you need to console them over here like this, console.log products. Save that, and now if you reload the component and inspect that and go to console, and you will see you have the products array over here. So just to recap, we separate our concern nicely. The GraphQL logic in a utility file, and the loader handle the data fetching, and the UI is built using the reusable component. This approach is clean, scalable, and ideal for any internal Shopify tool or admin panel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, we will go further. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.